Hello, everybody. So, in this presentation, we would like to discuss the very basic understanding about what is accreditation. We have heard about accreditation many a times. So, today we will see in a brief or very quickly what do you mean exactly by accreditation. So, the learning objective of this presentation is that you will be able to understand the basics of accreditation of undergraduate engineering program after going through this presentation. There are two main sources of SWAYAM NPTEL courses on accreditation, one by Professor S.K. Das Mandal and the other by Professor R.K. Dixit and Professor Sanjay Agarwal of NITTR Bhopal. And the other main source of the information is NBA India website. So before we discuss any further, we should understand what accreditation is not. So accreditation, please keep in mind, is not a ranking procedure. You don't rank the institute based on accreditation. It is not an investigation based on any complaint. It is not a regulatory process. It does not seek to replace any university. It is already there. Universities doing their own work. Statutory body like AIST and UGC are also doing their own work. So accreditation is not replacing any of these agencies. In fact, an institute has to volunteer for the accreditation procedure. So what is accreditation? It is formal recognition of an educational program by an external body on the basis of assessment of quality. Accreditation is a process of quality assurance and improvement whereby a program in an institute is critically appraised to verify that the program continues to meet and exceed the norms and standards prescribed by the appropriate designated authorities. It is a kind of recognition which indicates that a program or an institution fulfills certain standards. What is accredited? A program of a department of the institute is only accredited. Program means, say, undergraduate program of the electrical engineering of the Barbary Institute of Technology, say BE Electrical, is one program. So that is the only program which is accredited when you apply for it. If there are other programs offered by the same department or the same institute, then separate accreditation is required for them. Why do you require accreditation? Because Institute A student of country X will be accepted by the Institute B of country Y only if there are some minimum standards which they have agreed upon, and that is provided by the accreditation. It is minimum criteria ensuring that pass out of a program X from an institute will have some minimum skill requirements so that in the other Y institute of say some other country, he can pursue the further studies without any issues. Who is the authority for accreditation in India? So, National Board of Accreditation, NBA, for individual engineering programs. Only programs which are accredited by NBA is engineering, computer applications, pharmacy, management, and hotel management and catering. National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAAC, popularly known as NAC, is for accreditation of the institute or university. What are the benefits? Institute comes to know about their strengths and weaknesses, need for improvement, etc. about a program when it goes for the accreditation process. The stakeholders like students, parents, employers, industries, etc. are also able to decide, choose easily. Funding agencies, different government and otherwise other funding agencies, they find it easy to fund an accredited program. The institute also can advertise, market it to get better admissions, enrollment. There is international recognition, as we already talked about, is that Washington Accord. It was a treaty with several countries. It actually took place in 1989. It was for matching the engineering programs, right? So So it was an international agreement. The Washington Accord is an international agreement between bodies responsible for accrediting engineering degree programs, 4-year courses. 12 full signatory countries are there. India is one of them, and 7 provisional signatory countries are there. India is one of the full signatory from 13th June 2014. In India, NBA provides accreditation as per the Washington Accord, right? So now exactly how the accreditation is scheduled, what is the procedure, how to go for everything else we'll discuss in the next presentation. So thank you for listening to this particular presentation. I hope the basics of accreditation will be clear once you go through this presentation. Thank you.